The work that I've been involved is to work with the victim of domestic violence. Not only the victim, but also the batterer. And the third one we're now starting to realize, the children. Remember, in domestic violence, one of the keys is to isolate and control people. So one of the key things I saw in myself being involved with the team was to acknowledge that they could communicate they were a victim. They had rights. Supervised visitation and exchange services. You see, a lot of times the batterer will control the victim again through issues of visitation and custody. So we developed a program with the blessings of the Board of Supervisors of a supervised visitation and exchange program. So part of mine, I've been involved with networking, the DV network, the DV PPCC. I serve on the Fatality Review Board because do you know that the largest source of homicides deal with DV? So I was there when we were putting it together. I've been doing this work for over 50 years. I have a spiritual side, and I'm going to quote from a very favorite spiritual. It says, if I can help somebody as I travel along, then my living won't be in vain. Number two, I keep a poster that I took from the New York City subway. It says that it shouldn't hurt to be a child. I know about that. I breathe it, I support it. We need other programs to deal with children. We need programs to deal with batterers and how do they parent children after they've battered. If I can help somebody as I travel along in a word or support, then my living won't be in vain. That's what I'm all about.